apartment. Fine. Everybody else get out the ship. We like to stay on the ship and relax. This girl, no, it ain't that. We up. It's breakfast time. It's breakfast time. It's Nassau Day. So. Like your green hair. Good morning, friend. Ooh. That's friend. Friend don't be missing me because I be having them crump, y'all. I'm telling you. They be missing me. I'm going to be part of the ship. Good morning, bacon. Yeah. Thank you.
We're far away from Charlotte now.
Come on, friend.
Everybody. And the sha-la-la-la-la. And the sha-la-la-la-la. Shadow. And the sha-la-la-la-la. We're far away from Charlotte now. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to Jarvis and your YouTube channel, okay? Subscribe, like, and comment.
Okay, I had to come get Jeff for something to eat. Hey! So we're at Nassau today. And I'm waiting on Kenrick, my tour guide, to call me back. And let me know he almost back. He probably got another group out with him or whatever. But that's my cousin, and he gonna come get me. He gonna come get me. Got a few people out.
Which one do you like?
No. Oh, it's cute though.
Yeah.
It's too early for me.
Oh, this is cup only.
Oh, the cup. Oh. Hey, friend. I want the prime time turkey.
All right.
Thank you. Oh, it's so good. Oh, can I have another plate to go on top? Thank you. Thank you.
Mexican egg or regular
Okay,
egg?
I want chicken sausage.
Sausage.
I want scrambled egg.
Regular or
And-
Mexican?
Just regular.
And
I want Monterey cheese,
the cheese, and then
hash brown potatoes,
mashed brown potato, and then
lettuce, onions.
and onion.
Ooh, yes, a lot of onions. And tomatoes.
Regular tomato or pico de gallo?
Pick up the guy, bro.
More flavor.
Yep.
And then
And wrap it up, friend. Yes.
please enjoy your breakfast burrito.
Thank you.
Have a nice day.
You too. You might well just pull this little thing up over you.
What you that for?
Good morning.
Peoples.
It's day 4. Day 4. And we are in Nassau.
The Bahamas.
We didn't close out last night because Jeff.
Me?
Yeah, I went to the Halloween party. Jeff didn't go to the Halloween party.
Mm-mm.
He didn't want to go. So we got back. What did we do? I almost went straight to sleep.
Yeah, that's a bit, but I'm still up.
You watch TV?
A little bit.
So yeah, we didn't close out last night, but yesterday was very interesting too. We had a good day. I played mermaid in the pool all day.
So did.
I met some new people from a lot of different places. So they said they was gonna help me with my vlog. I was like, yay! We all on the team winning. It was from Ohio. Some were from Charlotte. And I don't remember Tampa. So yeah, mermaid. What you did yesterday, Jeff?
Went to the casino.
You won or lost?
I lost the fruit. Wasn't much.
Jeff said he was with it, and what it was doing, Jeff, when you was winning.
It was doing good, then all of a sudden it just went cold on me.
You said it was glowing.
Sparkling.
Sparkling. He said the machine was sparkling until the people started looking at him sparkle. And he started losing. We went and watched karaoke. No, not karaoke. Trivia. Yeah, so we did a little trivia. Y'all see yesterday, yeah. And what else?
Oh, no, that wasn't there for you.
What?
We went to the show.
Oh yeah, they got some more shows tonight though.
Oh, okay.
I think the Latino one's tonight, the Latin.
Oh, okay.
Um,
Yeah, I know that.
Yeah, and we did some more stuff yesterday because we were just moving around. Oh, we watched a movie. Yeah, I can see. Watched a movie. And then I went to the Halloween deck party last night. Oh, and then I went and watched a little karaoke last night. So, yeah, that was real fun. It was relaxing. So I called Kenrick. So if y'all don't, whenever y'all come to Nassau, Bahamas, get in touch with Kenrick Curry. I'm going to drop his link down in the subscription box. Call him. He will come take you wherever you need to go in Nassau. Y'all hear that bumping? I hope that's somebody cleaning up. What?
It's probably my
But we on the end though.
I know.
Is there something next to us like where they housekeeping or something?
I don't know. Is the ship still
Y'all
attached?
heard that bumping?
Is the ship still attached? Is we still part of the ship?
See, before we gonna be floating. We're gonna be floating out there in the water. Oh, sure. I want to see for real. I know it was. Anyway, Kenrick Curry. He'll take you wherever you need to go. I called him, and so he gonna come get us by 12 o'clock. So it's almost that time. I'm finna get up because Auntie waiting on me, and we're gonna go get some tea from Tasty Teas. I know for sure.
Something for pain.
Yeah, they got some. You didn't take the one the last time
I
for the
did.
pain and inflammation. I saw because I threw the pack away.
That's good. I always want to throw stuff away.
Well, baby, I haven't been to the Bahamas in a year. I got it last year, like in March.
It don't go bad. It's not gonna go bad.
You always say something don't go bad.
Not that.
Then you'll
That
be
tea don't
hollering.
go bad.
My stomach messed up. My stomach messed up.
Not off no tea.
Baby, that tea was a year old. I don't know. I'm gonna ask them how long it lasts.
Why? It should have a day on.
But I always get it helps with weight loss, inflammation, building your immune system. Because we had coronavirus last year. Jeff was really sick. I didn't get sick. I lost my smell for like 8 days. But Jeff was sick. And I had jumped on a cruise ship during the pandemic in March just to come to the Bahamas to get the tea from Tasty Teas. And I gave Jeff that tea. And then next day you was perked up. You had got up and went in the man cave. Was able to get up because Jeff wasn't even able to get up out of bed. So I had to come back and re-up on some of that. And I also get some from my mom as well. And my daughter, she has lupus. So anytime she have a flare up or something, I just let her drink a little of that tea and she normally starts feeling better within that day. And so I guess that's what we're finna do. We're finna get off at Nassau. We got a few things planned today. Y'all will see. Like I said, we probably go to the show tonight. And what else? There was a bunch of stuff on that little
I didn't even look at it.
in the Hub app. I got it hearted. So if you get the Carnival Hub app, they will send you alerts when your activity is finna start. If you just go on and click it, you'll heart it. And then it'll put it in like your little folio, your little planner. And then so it'll send alerts to your phone. Also, me and Jeff have chat. So while we're on the ship, we can chat with each other. It's only like $5 for the whole cruise. So you can chat with whoever you want to in the chat. And we'll see what else play out. So you'll see some stuff in the Bahamas today. We're just gonna ride around with Karen, and he probably gonna pick up some other people or whatever, and we'll go see whatever they do. I just need to get some tea. So Jeff said he's gonna go to the casino and rest a little bit, and we'll come back and see y'all later. Because we're gonna get the people what they want.
Bye.
Got to get the people what they want. He'll never come in and act right. This must be all cute like this.
Okay.
Like the Adams family. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. That's how you supposed to jump down there. So if I say got to get the people, get the people. Bye. Bye, y'all. Okay. See you.
Oh, yeah. Hey, look, you got that right.
Woo, look.
I took my stuff to my room and come right back. Yes, I did. You good?
Yes.
Where we going to now?
I don't know, just in town, I guess.
Yeah, I called Kenrick to come get me.
I want to go to the Atlantis, but...
Oh, he'll take you there.
Who? Oh, you will? Oh.
No, Kenrick, he on my tour guide. I call him every time I get down here. He out here waiting on us. But it's part of his tour, the Atlantis is.
Okay. Let's see. Look, this is my first time down here.
So I do. They go to party ship. Ooh, the party ship.
Man.
Oh yeah, they done built all this back up since we've been down here last year. Yeah, we had to walk then, Auntie. Hey, friend.
See, y'all gotta show those knees now. See, not good man.
They probably like, I don't have no knees.
Okay, you got some knees.
They don't want none of that old meat. Oh no. Y'all look, me and Auntie, if y'all thought we were finna walk from their port, oh no.
I ain't giving up.
Auntie had given up before we had took 15 steps out. It's over with. They're gonna come with sunrise. Look how old Disney be up on the side of us. They're doing construction. So yeah, the Bahamas gonna be jumping. Probably building another part of the port, I bet. Oh, she got her another friend. Auntie made her some friends too, y'all.
They told her, what's up, you like black folks look at each other like that. I could take
Like,
that. She was like, we was like, he know he wrong. Don't be her baby. I could. Like, why is it we got our own language with our eyes?
I don't. Did you hear me?
Woo!
Baby, it's a little ride. Let me tell you. Woo.
And you really thought I was going home?
Ooh, Auntie, we finna be walking with us.
Not you, not me.
See,
I say, do they think it's a
we used to be the part.
So put that car music in our fight right up under you.
Still right. Auntie said we weren't gonna be able to make this walk. Hey, friend. Woo. Okay, now we just got called Kendrick. He ought to be down here somewhere. Woo. Yes. Welcome to Nassau, baby. Let me me tell y'all something. Y'all get off that ship. Y'all better get y'all a car. That's all I can tell you.
Your people who say waiting on you, they're gonna be out here somewhere?
Yeah, right out here.
Okay.
Thank
Very
you.
nice. You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Oh, right.
How much was it? YouTube channel, y'all better come hit Carrie Curry up when you come to Nassau, baby.
Yeah.
Woo, 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 woo. That's on my cousin.
Hey, family. How y'all doing?
Hey. What's up, Ken?
Auntie.
Hello, how are you?
Yes.
Nice to finally meet you.
You finna get some more people, Carrie?
Well, no, the system is different now. So as the people come out, they just, like they'll allow you to maybe get about 4 or 6 people and go. But sometimes depending on how the system is running, they change it. You know, y'all don't even see us in the back there no more. They're making a whole 360 with us.
Yeah.
It's gonna get a little rough. Maybe before it get better.
Just for a little while though, cause it look like they're building y'all a whole nother port.
Yeah, but when they build it up, they still want to put us in a different place.
Wow.
Yeah, it's crazy.
Tell them don't try to take y'all money because they building that big mega, what that mega casino hotel? Ain't it right now they building? The one you showed me last time.
Yeah, the bill. I mean the price.
Yeah. Is it almost finished?
Yeah.
Wow.
So a lot of things have changed.
No thank you.
What did y'all want to do while y'all visiting today?
I know I want to go get some tea. What you want to do, Auntie? Oh yeah, it don't matter. I know once I hit the tea factor, I'm good. But I have to, it's a must. That tea took me through the coronavirus last year. Yes. Yes, I would tell anybody, make sure y'all come to Taste the Teas when you in Nassau, baby. Get your tea. Corona don't play with that tea.
How long have you been here? And they realized, hold on, so where all the local people we used to see? We won't be able to see any of them.
Yeah.
Because the part of their plan is to get us out of the area.
Wow. Then it's not gonna be the same. Like, why are you gonna want to come then? It's gonna be like a big luxury, just private island or something like that. You don't want
I'll
that.
be honest with you, their plan really isn't to empower the people, in my opinion. Just based on what you're doing. Because if you're gonna build an area, you come up with a whole plan for where you want us drivers to be. You know, other people that's local people that has already had businesses in that area. If you don't have a plan of where you want those people to be, then that means you have other alternatives or is to phase them out. And we just like the rest of the world, you know, everybody going through. Just don't make any sense folding and crying about it. You know, you would like to some days. You gotta make do with what you got, you know. Make the best of everything that you have. Now this is still downtown, y'all, but a lot of things have changed. For example, well, first of all, when you're right, this hasn't changed. But these are the houses of assembly, which are where the leaders of government meet bi-weekly to decide what's going to happen here in the country.
Okay.
Y'all probably don't notice, or have not noticed, but the government has changed. We just voted in our new prime minister it was on September, it was the 16th.
Okay.
So about a month ago, we put in place our new government, so to speak. They are the Progressive Liberal Party. Brand new, but in most of our opinion, it's not going to be a whole lot of changes. Now we vote in our leaders of government, or what we call our prime minister. We vote in that party every 5 years. So every 5 years in all of the different 39 supposed to be constituencies around the island where the people live. They vote in who they want to be their representative for their community, which will also in turn be the representative for them as far as the government. Whoever majority wins at the end of all of that voting. On your right, this is basically the Queen statue, but Queen Victoria, not Queen Elizabeth, Queen Victoria, who basically ran the British government, I think about, 60 years or so, a little longer. But she was in place as the Queen when we were trying to do some things. And because we got our independence away from the British government, that's part of the reason why you would always see, if they don't change things, rep from that monarchy. Because we are a part of what they call a monarchy. So that's the British government, so to speak. Now this area here, it's like a squarish area. We call this Parliament Square. Mainly because this is where all of the parliamentarians come in. This is where they go and meet in these buildings, whether it's the left, which is the Senate building, or the right, which is the Cabinet building. And they talk about future stuff taking place in the country, whether it's stuff they want to see or issues that's already happening to try to bring about the best future results. Now to your right, that is known as Sir Milo B. Butler, who's the first Bahamian Governor General. He is a statue, or we call that the bust, which is the same thing as statue of Sir Milo B. Butler, who's the first, when we say Governor General, the first representative for the Queen of England here in the Bahamas. So he is still very, very important just because he was the first. And the representative for the Queen of England, even though we say we are independent, for some reason we'll always have, because of our British ties, still always have a rep for the Queen of England here in the Bahamas. That's a part of running the country, so to speak. Now we are on, this is Bay Street. We rode by some of the shopping areas earlier. This is more in the decorated part of downtown. So you will see a lot of stores, Gucci, Fendi, Pandora, Carnival, Rolex, Fendi. You name them, you can find them all authentic. But we do have a knockoff section here too, for everyone who doesn't want to spend maybe 200 or 300 or you can maybe get something that looks very, very similar. You can't even really tell the difference, maybe like $30, $40. That exists here on the island too. Is there anyone in the group that's a rum cake fan?
Oh, yes. Let's stop at rum cake.
Alright, well. Welcome, darling. To the Bahamas Rum Cake Factory. Don't be shy. Or walk straight up where you can sanitize your hands for me. Okay. And then you can begin sampling for free.
Rum cake. Hello. How you doing today? I'm doing well. Yes. Look, I already know what kind I want. Oh, what kind I always get.
You guys are trying original with pecans and pina coladas. No, none for me.
You sure?
Yes, honey, that's my really good.
I know.
Pina colada is on top, original with pecans is at the bottom. The small cakes in the boxes are 1 for $7. You can get any four of your choice is $22.50. The plastic containers are 1 for $17, 2 for $31. The cakes are all cruise ship and airport approved, so if you want to travel back to them, you can. And they last until 1 year without refrigeration.
What was on the bottom?
Original pecan.
I want the you can give me some original. Okay, we at the Rum Cake Factory. Which one you getting, Auntie? Remember I brought you one back one time before. Oh, they so good. Yeah, let's hope I was recording.
They're 1 for any four for $22.50.
Okay.
The plastic containers are 1 for $17.
I see it in here. How much 4 of these was? Again? 22. Yeah. So they got coconut rum, coffee rum, Irish cream, pineapple, amarella,
What's your driver's name?
cannery,
Cameron. Know his last name as well?
curry.
Cameron Curry.
So y'all know this original is off the chain. So I got
Mess you up.
It will. When I say you want to sleep good, get you some rum cake before you go to sleep. So I know I'm gonna get 2 originals and I think that key lime and that chocolate.
All right, just making sure.
Well, it's really. I see you in a little bit. Time flies.
So make sure y'all can order online as well.
Yes, you can. The information is right in the back. We ship to a company in Orlando, and they ship all over.
All right.
All right, your total is $22.50.
Oh, okay. So do you think you will ever switch your profession? Because I know you said your family has been into this for a long time.